Hi there, welcome back to my channel, Maison Network. I had this velvet oud. Okay, this is a review of this perfume. I bought it from Maison, 55 ringgit if I'm not mistaken, 55 ringgit, and it's original by Lattafa. Okay, and if it's in Maison, Malaysia, of course it's original, so no worry. And it's velvet oud. The bottle is like this. I did the unboxing and how to know the original or not. Okay. Okay. So let me read some of the smell from the website that Lattafa published. Notes the top: cardamom, bergamot, heart, violet leaf, patchouli, base, sweat, oud, amber musk, oak, and moss. So it smells like it's really woody, really manly. It's suitable for men, not really for women actually. And it smells expensive. Yeah, and it's really smells like Arabic. If you into like a very Arabic perfume, then this will be it. But if you into like a Western style of perfume, then this will not be much for you. Okay, so yeah, personally I like it, but I only will use it for like a very exclusive event like that. Yeah, velvet. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.